friends, how are you? So today also I came to show you little surprise thing. Today is very heavy rain from the morning, still now continue the rain, but very cool and beautiful nature around the home. I hope all of you know about my this Karanda tree. I saw little special thing from this tree. Can you see it? This is trunk that trees come in tender leaves between the trunk, and some fruits are also there. Rain started again. Temporary water pond in my garden. Temporary water pond. This is the tree. From the small age, I just had put these videos about this Karanda tree. Now he is a very big tree. After 3 years, I think not 3 years, but this tree like 2.5 years age. Here is a big dead root. I just really want to ask sorry because still I can't, difficult to speak camera, struggle my mouth, so I am very sorry. I just training still for speaking to the camera direct. Okay, like the smaller one have from down. I'm just thinking this is a group of roads. You're showing to rain like sticky, but there's nothing sticky like that thing liquid on this road. Very tough. This is zoom mode I have put. Exactly, this is a kind of fruits in this tree, but this can showing like worms, but exactly not, this is not worms. This is this Karanda's trees fruit. A big one is up there, can you see? With the first fruit or some kind of bacteria, really, isn't it? I don't know really. Is there some kind of bacteria came from this trunk? But I am sure one thing, this is some kind of fruit. Like a big ball. I hope This is clear for you. This image I going to show you. The small one is here. I just show you small one. The up have one very big root ball, but this is a still small. I hope this is still growing age. Okay. I have to leave now. I'll see you in another surprise, nature surprise, not just surprises, nature surprises. So some kind of, but I can't come. Some pets funny thing with the. I will try to come with that something. Okay, bye. I'll see you next video.